Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 1999 Suzuki Jimny, stock reference number 4936. The shape runs from the 10th month 1998 through to the 9th month 2018. There's a G3BB 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. G3BB 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand guard appears to have no damage. Set of aftermarket tri-spoke alloy mags, 15-inch, all with good tyres. Left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent. Left rear 15-inch alloy tri-spoke mag with a good tyre. Spare tri-spoke 15-inch mag with a good tyre. Tailgate has 2 dents. Right hand rear 15-inch aftermarket alloy with a good tyre. And a right front aftermarket 15-inch alloy with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, centre console rear, centre console front, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.